A great Saturday morning. Y'all know what time it is. Had talked about Rasheed Rice, and Rasheed Rice has baby mama drama to the third power. Then we pivoted, talked some NBA. Kyrie Irving, he shut it down for the rest of the year. He's gonna come back next year. He wouldn't have played in the NBA type basketball for about a year and a half. I don't know what that looks like. The Mavericks, should they lobby a trade? Like I said, we'll check out that segment. Teddy Bridgewater, Florida passed the Teddy Bridgewater law, and now it is permissible for him to give kids dignity. Yeah, make sure you check that out. Then we pivoted back to the world of college football, where the Georgia 500, they do not disappoint. They have 2 more arrests to add to the long laundry list of crimes that happened in Athens. And nobody's talking about it but me. And that brings us to our last segment. It's going to be about Sherrone Moore and Michigan. And for those who were quick to kind of throw dirt on Sherrone Moore, there's a lot that came out in that court deposition. We'll go ahead and break that down when we get on the other side of the content. It's your boy Big Vern. Give me a rap album. What up? It's your boy Big Vern coming to you live from the App Stupid Studios, and we pushing a new rap album this month. Razzcast, Leopards Eat Face, in stores now. Get it where you legally consume music, whether it be Apple Music, Google Play, or Spotify. My personal favorites on the track is going to be Leopards Eat Face, Hit List, I Got That with Inspector Det and Coastal Contra. Oh my goodness. Contraband, 42. Where the Fushnikins at is hard. Extra hard. Homie, don't be playing. Miss Me Yet? Scar Tissue is wild. Scar Tissue is my song. Fun and games. Clap cheeks. Flavor Flav dance is wild too. Yo, Razzcast, Leopards Eat Face, in stores now. Yeah, make sure you go ahead and check out Razzcast. We thought it was dope. We thought it was hot again. So that was us. So back on this Sherrone Moore issue. Now, Judge Cedric Simpson, he granted a request for a hearing to learn more about the circumstances surrounding Moore's arrest, which came in December of 2025, just hours after he was fired from his job at the University of Michigan over a consensual but inappropriate relationship with a female staffer. Judge Simpson said there was glaring omissions that Moore's previous relationship with a woman was not disclosed by a police detective when a magistrate authorized a warrant for his arrest. The defendant's due process may have been violated. This was not solely the personal relationship. The magistrate should have been able to look at that. The judge set a hearing for March the 2nd to hear from the police and other witnesses involved in this case. Now, they tried to put a lot on this man, saying that he was suicidal, he was out of his mind, but when you went in, you looked at the court docket and the criminal complaint, he didn't kick a door off the hinges. That was a lie. He didn't go in there brandishing some knife saying he was going to take his own life. That was a lie. There was so many lies that were told, and we were telling people on the ground, we read straight from the complaint. Again, we take the victory laps because we read, we research, we do our facts, and then we come and then we give them to you. Yes, we're not going to give you clickbait. We're only going to give you what really happened. We're going to give you what really happened. And we told you this man and this woman, they were questioned previously in October of 2025, and they both told the university that they were not in a relationship. That's what they said. And if it was so inappropriate and it takes two to tango, why is she still hired there and he's fired? Right. Don't sit there and try and throw out the word technicality, because this isn't that. This man's due process was violated, and let's give you a background of what this means. The legal remedies are convictions can be overturned on appeal, charges dismissed, or sentences amended, evidence obtained through illegal searches, coercion, or withheld by the prosecutor. The Brady violations may be thrown out. That one right there is the big one. This can all be thrown out. This can all be thrown out because when it came to light that this woman's lawyer was calling the magistrate, and they were omitting the fact that these two had a personal relationship. There was text messages that they had in their possession to show that this wasn't somebody who was allegedly harassing somebody. Because if you're getting harassed, someone who lets their harasser in the house. Oh, don't give me, oh, this was a big scary man and blah, 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 your ass, man. Let that go. All the text messages and communications that they got from this man's due process being violated, they could be thrown out against Moore, and Michigan knows it. This can be looked at no other way than a victory for Moore. The judge is saying he was deprived of life, liberty, or property without fair legal procedures. And things like this, they usually get overturned. Convictions, dismissal of charges, reinstatement of rights, violations often trigger mistrials, suppressed evidence. It's important to note that Moore's attorney says that the arrest warrant was based on false and misleading statements presented as facts. We're confident that the truth will be out in court under oath where it belongs. They have maintained the same vigilance that they're going to put this lady on the stand. And under oath, like I said, under oath, and in the whole penalties and everything, she's going to have to go ahead and tell the truth. She's not going to perjure herself. They're not going to go ahead and give her immunity. For no reason. They're cross-examining, because just like she had her attorney and they gave up all of the receipts, Sherrone Moore gave his attorney all of the receipts. And you're hearing it right from the horse's mouth, what he did, what he didn't do. So there is no mistake about any of this. So congratulations to Sherrone Moore on the highway to clear his own name. With all of the developments in the case, we will keep reporting on this. We don't let things go. You know how that is. But right now, Michigan, they looking shaky. Michigan's looking shaky. And if he gets this conviction overturned and thrown out, then he could be in line. He could really be in line to go after Michigan for some sort of money and financial damages. However, y'all know the drill. Dun, 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 dun. Well, that's the show. Thank you all for joining us. We had a great time. Make sure you smash the like and subscribe button and share the content. This is Big Vern, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.